book besties. So for today, we're going to have book shopping, body reading, and i-discuss ko lang briefly sa inyo in the last clips of this video yung mga books na binili ko during my book shopping. So that's it. Come with me in this journey of going to my happy place and doing the things that I love.
Ano ba yan? Ay, fully book na ako pala dito. Kaya, unexpected place.
Hi! So it's already Monday. Ngayon lang ako nagkaroon ng time para mag-film at i-share sa inyo yung mga books na binili ko at books na magiging TBR ko for the month of August. So, nung Sunday, I had a body read with my bestie and Yun din yung araw na bumili ako ng mga books para sa August TBR. And sobrang busy ko na talaga nung it was Saturday. So I know napanood nyo na in the previous clips yung mga kaganapan ng body reading namin. But to show you my TBR, so diba Saturday, kwento ko na din, share ko lang. Saturday, nag-body reading kami, and then sobrang late na talaga ako nakauwi nun. Dahil mga 11 PM na ata kami nag-decide na umuwi. So, travel pa pauwi. So, ayun, gabi na ako nakatulog. And then, come Sunday, what happened Sunday? Nagpahinga lang talaga ako ng Sunday. Kasi yun lang talaga yung pinaka-rest day ko. And I also did some video editing for my client. Yun, yung para sa part-time job ko. But, anyway, to share you the 2 books that I bought noong Saturday. So, the first one, itong current read ko, which is Atmosphere by Taylor Jenkins Reid. Ayan. So, sobrang happy ako sa body reading namin kasi na-encourage ako, na-motivate ako na magbasa ng libro. And, asang page na ako? I'm in page 123 na. So, I'm more on leaning na itong book na to would be a 5-star. So far, I love the story. As in, gusto kong basahin at tapusin siya. So, yeah. I'll give you the review for this book in the next video. On the other hand, for the second book, I have here Life's Too Short by Abby Jimenez. So, it's about Vanessa Price, who quit her job to pursue her dream of traveling the globe. She wasn't expecting to gain millions of YouTube followers who share their joy of seizing every moment. So yung pinaka nakastruck sa akin sa book na to ay yun nga yung parang YouTube followers. So parang, okay, I think this is something na relatable for me as someone aspiring to be a booktuber. And gusto ko din yung concept na yung love partner niya dito ay hot lawyer next door. Nagustuhan ko yung overall synopsis ng book na to, kaya binili ko. Na-intrigue pati ako on how everything will go in this book. And I really need something na light, kasi I can feel na at some point magiging heavy itong book na to. And yung mga nakaraan kong binasang book, ang morbid ng mga kwento. So, more on that. And of course, lastly, ito. Actually, sinimulan ko to last month, nung July. Pero hindi ko siya natapos talaga. So, gusto ko siyang tapusin this month. Nasa page 41 na ako. So, another book na about death. But, I think it's inspirational. But, yeah. These are the 3 books na yung dalawa binili ko. But, to add this one, I'll just adding this one for the TBR list. So, here you go.